everyone, welcome to Yopedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if you are also shortlisted for CPCL, that is Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, I would say that interview has been started from approximately I guess 6 to or 7 May onwards, and case studies which plays a very vital role in your interview basically, because this is to your brainstorm, this is to check your problem solving skills, and a lot of things are there. So what can be the possible case studies related to the CPCL, Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited? We are going to be discussing in this particular video, and yes, let's get started. And this documentation which you can see on my screen, you can download it from your PDF portal and can practice it with like by running different HR sessions and different case study sessions. So let's get started, guys. The first I can say is the case study, that is Greenfield Refinery Investment Decision. ठीक है. So let's suppose scenario क्या है, जो CPCL है that has been planned up to 9 MMTPA greenfield refinery at Nagapattinam in Tamil Nadu, ठीक है, जिसका इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा 31,580 करोड़. However, global demand uncertainties and rising environmental scrutiny are major concerns. तो बेसिकली ये सिनेरियो है एंड क्वेश्चन बनता है कि जो एज अ प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंस कंसल्टेंट एंड CPCL, हाउ वुड यू इवेलुएट दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट फाइनेंशियल एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक वायबिलिटी. ठीक है, अब इसके सॉल्यूशंस क्या हो सकते हैं. यू कैन कंडक्ट NPV एंड IRR एनालिसिस, ठीक है, कैश फ्लो के एनालिसिस करने के लिए कार्बन क्रेडिट इम्पैक्ट्स को इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन एनालाइज रिस्क रिलेटेड टू फ्यूचर ECH रेगुलेशंस. देन यू कैन इंश्योर अ डेब्ट इक्विटी रेशियो. Then you can recommend project phase-wise execution to reduce risk exposure and ensure IOC support and strategic alliance for feedback, procurement and marketing. So these can be the possible solution when there will be this kind of scenario. अब second scenario क्या है? Second case study है turnout strategy during loss phase. ठीक है, अगर loss होता है या ऐसा कोई turnout strategies आप ऐसी क्या करते हो कि वो जल्दी से heal up हो जाए. सो सिनेरियो है कि जो CPCL है दैट इज अ नेट लॉस, बेसिकली एक नेट लॉस उसने फेस किया है 2023 में ड्यू टू हाई क्रूड प्राइस एंड लो रिफाइनिंग मार्जिन्स. सो बेसिकली क्वेश्चन ये है कि CPCL हाउ इट गोइंग टू बी अडैप्ट दैट टर्न आउट स्ट्रैटेजी टू इम्प्रूव प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. ठीक है, अब प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी को इंक्रीज करना है ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि लॉस हो गया. सो क्या बेसिकली आप स्टेप्स ले सकते हैं. See, we need to be optimized crude mix by sourcing from cheaper crude suppliers. ठीक है, we need to be increase GRMs by focusing on high margin products. Then we need to be reduce overheads by automating operating and reducing contract labor. Contract labor को reduce कर सकते हैं. We can utilize forex hedging instruments basically to manage currency fluctuations and improve inventory management with real time analytics. So these can be the solutions for this typical case study of turnout basically strategy during loss phase. अभी देखो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, रिक्रूटमेंट एंड रिटेंशन ऑफ यंग टैलेंट. दैट वी हैव टू बी रिक्रूट यंग प्रोफेशनल्स, वी हैव टू बी रिक्रूट यंग टैलेंट. सो व्हाट आर द स्ट्रैटेजीज, हाउ यू गोइंग टू बी एनालाइज एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. So CPCL is struggling to retain young technical professionals in remote plant locations, right? एज एन HR मैनेजर आपकी क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज होंगी टू इम्प्लीमेंट टू रिटेन यंग टैलेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंट्रोड्यूस रोटेशन पॉलिसीज बिटवीन रिमोट एंड सिटी बेस्ड ऑफिस, कि आप रोटेट करते रहो. आज आपका रिमोट बेस में है काम, कुछ दिन बाद या 1 मंथ बाद आपका सिटी बेस्ड ऑफिस में होगा. ठीक है, रिटेंशन, बोनसेस, परफॉर्मेंस लिंक्ड इंसेंटिव्स एंड स्पेक्युलेटिव ऑप्शंस को आप ऑफर कर सकते हो. एनहांस प्लांट साइट एमिनिटीज, वाईफाई, ट्रांसपोर्ट, हेल्थ सेंटर्स, लर्निंग स्पेसेस, ये सब आप इंश्योर कर सकते हो. देन यू कैन गो फॉर द क्लियर करियर पाथ्स एंड फास्ट ट्रैक प्रमोशंस. देन यू कैन कोलैबोरेट विद IITs एंड NITs टू क्रिएट CPCL Young Leaders program, because these are the hub for to start something new, right? This you can go for this. Then fourth is digital transformation of maintenance operation. This is also something very important. अनएक्सपेक्टेड इक्विपमेंट फेलियर है जो फ्रिक्वेंट प्रोडक्शन हाल्स को CPCL में बेसिकली मनाली रिफाइनरी में इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है. सो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि हाउ कैन CPCL इम्प्लीमेंट प्रोडक्टिव मेंटेनेंस यूजिंग डिजिटल टूल्स. IoT सेंसर्स को लगा सकता है, ठीक है, AI ड्राइवन प्रोडक्टिव एनालिटिक्स कर सकता है, ट्रेन द मेंटेनेंस टीम टू वर्क विद डिजिटल डैशबोर्ड्स. देन वी कैन इंटीग्रेट द प्लेटफॉर्म विद SAP to trigger automatic work orders, and we can measure KPIs like mean time to repair, MTTR and uptime improvement. So these are the digital advancement you can take into consideration while you have to be implement predictive maintenance by using digital tools. Fifth comes improving ESG performance. CPCL's ESG score is below industry average due to legacy environmental issues and lack of reporting transparency. Okay? So how we can go for this, how we can mitigate, how we can improve that. So question क्या बनता है इस पे, how can CPCL enhance its ESG performance, right? I can say and public perception basically, how you can like ये CPCL कैसे कर सकता है और आपका इसमें क्या ओपिनियन है. We can go for publishing an annual ESG report, ठीक है, aligned with GRE standards. Invest in solar panels, zero liquid discharge plants and afforestation program. इनमें हम invest कर सकते हैं. Then you can say launch an internal audit of energy consumption and introduce ESG KPIs into manager performance appraisals. Partner with NGOs for community education and health. It is something like that which is boost up your ESG performance that you can include in this, right? Then comes supply chain disruption in crude oil import. See, ये बहुत important है. Why? Because इस पे बहुत सारी चीजें depend होती हैं, your profit, your loss and everything, and even it is in the global market as well. Like on the behalf of this CPCL, basically the question will a geopolitical conflict, and this is basically now US has posed tariff on China and India and other countries basically. So it is also the main concern, and this is the main cause of supply chain disruption, right? So geopolitical conflicts disrupt CPCL's crude imports from the Middle East. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन है. What supply chain risk mitigation steps should CPCL take? So risk mitigation steps बताओ. Diversify supplies across Africa, Russia and South America. Strategic reserve को maintain करना होगा of crude nearby port से. Short term swap agreements with other refineries जैसे MRPL and BPCL के साथ आप कर सकते हो. Blockchain logistics system को आप use कर सकते हो to track shipments in real time. And strengthen relationship with Indian embassies and shipping partners. That can help you out for this particular case study. Then come pricing strategy for competitive products. Now, when there is a brand and lot of organization, lot of PSUs and lot of energy sectors are producing that product, basically manufacturing that. So how we need to make that product in competitive edge. So what should be the pricing strategy? This is a case study. प्राइवेट रिफाइनरीज जो हैं, रिफाइनर्स जो हैं लाइक रिलायंस, नायरा ऑफर फ्यूल एट कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस, जो कि सीपीसीएल की मार्केट शेयर को इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो हाउ शुड लाइक सीपीसीएल रिफाइन इट्स प्राइसिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी. आईओसीएल के रिटेल नेटवर्क को लीवरेज करो एंड टू को ब्रांड हाई क्वालिटी फ्यूल एट प्राइस पैरिटी. इंट्रोड्यूस अ लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम विद फ्यूल डिस्काउंट, मोबाइल ऐप पेमेंट्स एंड रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स. Yes, because these days people are more fascinated towards these things. Then it comes to we can focus on premium products like diesel and derivatives of aviation fuel, okay, and price bundling for large industrial consumers. So this can be the solution. Then comes CSR initiative in coastal Tamil Nadu. See, as this is Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited and this is south based company organization basically, I can say it out. Now this is asking कि CSR initiative क्या हो सकते हैं. First of all, you need to be understand what are the CSR initiative. That is corporate social responsibility, means 2% or more than 2%. Organization is used to be put in the I can say towards this contribution of the society, right? So what can be the strategy for that? I can say local fishermen near CPCL Nagapattinam project site raised concerns over marine pollution, right? So this is the scenario basically. So basically this is the scenario, and what will be the question is design a CSR plan that address their concerns and promotes inclusive growth, right? ये question है. So we can go for the marine biodiversity monitoring units, cold storage and fish processing unit, skill development programs, example fish farming, boat engine repair or like that. And we can also form a CSR grievance redressal committee. ये बहुत important है in these kind of area, the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu. So these CSR initiative can work to grow. Then come campus hiring for engineering roles. ठीक है. सो नाउ बेसिकली ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट केस स्टडीज है कि कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स भी होती हैं एंड दीज PSUs आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉर दैट. सो कैंपस हायरिंग से रिलेटेड केस स्टडी क्या आती है, CPCL ने प्लान किया है टू रिक्रूट 200 ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर्स in electrical, mechanical and chemical streams. So what campus recruitment strategy should be adopted to attract the best talent? See, we can partner with Tier 1, Tier 2 engineering institutes across South India. Pre-placement talks and mock assessment, that is something very important. Competitive CTC with relocation and housing allowance, and provide clear information about career progression and plant exposure. Leverage LinkedIn and Naukri for pre-screening and branding. See, this is something very important strategies. Why? Because when you are attracting young talent from the campuses itself, it is something very important to make them feel safe, secure and to look forward to the career. So these are the main strategies, you can have that. So yes, next is energy transition strategy, that is something very important. Scenario क्या है, ऑलरेडी इंडिया में 2030 तक नेट जीरो एमिशन का है, बट इसके अलावा CPCL नीड्स टू अलाइन विद इंडियाज नेट जीरो एमिशन गोल्स बाय 2070. ठीक है, ये सिनेरियो है. क्वेश्चन क्या है कि CPCL कैसे एक लॉन्ग टर्म एनर्जी डेवलप कर सकता है, रोड मैप बेसिकली टू एनर्जी ट्रांजेक्शन बेसिकली. नाउ व्हाट कैन बी द सॉल्यूशन? Set targets to reduce scope 1 and scope 2 emissions by 25% by 2030. That is the first goal. That should be the first target, right? Then it comes to invest in green hydrogen, ethanol blending, ठीक है, electric vehicle infrastructure, collaborate with research institutions to pilot carbon capture projects, and diversification into biorefineries and green lubricants, and regularly update the board with substantially scorecard. So yes, these are the 10 main case studies which can be asked in CPCL. So friends, all those candidates who are preparing for CPCL interviews, these are the must I can say prepared case studies for the interview. You can download this documentation from your PDF panel and you can read it out. Basically you can revise all these case studies and please practice these case studies along with your PDF mentors. So all the very best, good luck.